Today, Matt, what are we making?
Muffuletta sandwich.
And we're gonna show you just how to make it coming up next on Love What You Eat. Alright, so to make this delicious Muffuletta sandwich, Matt, actually, what is Muffuletta? Can you tell the people?
Actually, Muffuletta is the name of the bread, which originates in New Orleans. The Sicilians in the late 19th century, they started immigrating to New Orleans, and they brought this beautiful recipe of bread. It's a very soft bun with a sesame seed topping. For those of you that can't find it in your area, you could use pagnotta, you can use ciabatta, you can use a long Italian loaf bread. I mean, any bread of your choice. It's really
The
layering,
layering? Yeah, the
the layering of the cold cuts, but it's also the spread that they put. It's an olive salad spread, which is made with pickled vegetables.
Yeah.
And black and green olives.
That's it.
It really tastes delicious.
Exactly. So for those of you who can't find that spread, this is what my mom's saying. Giardiniera. It's type of, you have your cauliflower, celery, a pepper, your carrots, your pickled vegetables. And then honestly, you get yourself a can of black or green olives.
Black and green.
We do this sometimes often enough. So we actually have a video, I'll link it for you guys up above, where you can basically make this yourself. And you can also make a spin on it. You can make it a little bit more hot or add some pepper flakes, etc., as you wish. But the base is that it's your garden giardiniera, it's your pickled vegetables that you would put in a food processor, blitz a little bit just to get to the bite size, and adding the green and black olives really gets that proper flavor profile. So with the cured meats, with the cheeses, the way we'll layer this up, and then with that spread in the bread, delicious, super simple, great for
game nights.
And what's coming up? Football.
Oh, Super Bowl.
Yeah, exactly.
Super Bowl is around the corner.
So this is perfect for the Super Bowl game night, for honestly any day of the week. Who doesn't love a panino, a nice sandwich? So we're gonna zoom in, get you guys in on a close look, but this is the bread that we're gonna be using today. Like my mom said, the sesame seed crusted Sicilian bread, not as easily found around, but if not, any choice of bread. So we're using the basic
pagnotta. Italian pagnotta. Yeah.
We have here provolone, we have mortadella, we have regular salami
genovese, prosciutto cotto,
salami calabrese, the spicy, we have
capicolo mild and spicy.
And spicy because we like it spicy here. So
I mean, your choices of cold cuts or deli meats.
Yeah. So let's stack this up and get to eating.
And there you have it. Muffuletta sandwich is ready. You can cut it and eat it right away. But traditionally what we do, we wrap it up tightly in plastic wrap. We'll put some weight on it and we'll put it in the fridge for about an hour. This will give the time for the bread really to soak up all that delicious spread inside. And it compresses also all the cold cuts.
This looks beautiful. This is great for game night. We're gonna cut one huge piece already in half just to give it a try. But I'm already salivating because this is all of the flavors, the smell of the olives.
The aromas.
Exactly, the oil is so delicious. Really easy to make. You can omit or put whatever type of cold cuts you want. This is a great weekend meal.
Oh, anytime meal when you're hungry.
Yeah. Look, even cutting one piece in half, it's still, I mean, a big bite.
Yeah.
Let's give this a try.
It's very savory. There you go. Buon
Savory,
appetito.
a little messy, but it's okay.
Buon appetito. What can you say? All these wonderful flavors and the olive salad spread.
Perfection.
Beautiful.
This is right up my alley.
Mm-hmm.
So good. Obviously a super simple recipe, but we hope we gave you the desire to want to go make a nice sandwich right now.
Mm-hmm.
You can find this on our website at www.lovewhatyoeat.net, where you will be able to see all of our recipes from our YouTube transcribed there. You can follow it to the T or let it inspire you to make your own. Thanks so much for watching. We're going to continue to eat this. You guys next Sunday? Yeah?
Definitely.
See you next Sunday.
We'll be here.
As always, continue to love what you eat. Forgot to say that.
Eat.
Love what you eat. Bye for
Ciao.
now.
Buonissimo. I love it. Troppo buono.